At present, the mainstream electronic control schemes of brushless DC water pumps include square wave and FOC. Every time the motor commutates, it will cause the vibration, that is the torque ripple. However, the FOC scheme can reduce the torque ripple, then reducing the noise of the motor itself. But the motor noise only accounts for a small part of the noise of water pumps. Moreover, when the water pump is installed in the equipment, if the frequency range of the noise generated by other parts coincides with the natural frequency of the equipment casing, it will cause resonance and amplify the noise. So, FOC can only slightly reduce the noise of the water pump, and it is not effective for reducing the noise of the whole machine. TOPSFLO pump can achieve noise value less than 36 dB in both square wave and FOC schemes, both reaching the highest level in the industry. There are two great schemes for customers to choose. Stay tuned for our next video. We will show you the influence of parts and assembly precision on water pump noise.